Welcome to another of my YouTube video. And if this is your first time on my YouTube video, I'll say welcome and thank you. Or if you are a returning viewer, I'll say thank you for coming back. And please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button if possible to share this with people. So today we are talking about digital marketing, and to be precise, most of the people who are definitely going to be watching this video know what digital marketing is. But today I'm going to come in from a different perspective. I'm going to come in from a different point of view, and I'm going to make it as much as possible open and plain for everybody else to understand. So we say this is a beginner friendly video. So first of all, we say what is digital marketing? Digital marketing. We say digital marketing is basically is advertising a product online. Yeah, that's digital marketing. You don't have to go to places yourself or have handout bills or billboards or stuff like that. We do this digitally. This is so let me give you an example. You see the ads you see on Facebook, the ads you see on Instagram, the ads you see on Twitter, the ads you see on TikTok, the ads you see on Google Chrome, or whatever. Yeah, those ads are actually part of digital marketing. So ads are digital marketing. So those are people advertising products or rather services. You understand what I'm trying to say? So this is not a class, we're not babies here, so I'm not going to prolong the issues or give you a long bunch of definitions. We're trying to make this easy for the beginners also. So uh in digital marketing there are different ways to market. You can use social media. When I mean using social media, you can there are other options also. You can use emails. Email rather is not really social media. Mm, it's not a social media platform actually. But one way or another is a social media. But who uses email these days? But there's actually something we call email marketing also. So market via email addresses. So but that's not the topic for today. So but let's go straight to why we came here. So in digital marketing there are various wide range topics like SEO. As a digital marketer, it is actually advisable to own an e-commerce website or rather a blog or rather a particular platform of your own which you can actually share your products or whatever you are doing, like a platform that can actually show them this is what you're actually advertising currently or this is rather what you are trying to digitally advertise. So one way or another, as a digital marketer, I'm going to be honest with you, you need the audience. You need audience. Those are the facts. You need audience. And at this stage of my life, that's what I'm trying to do. So one way or another, digital marketing is more than ads. I'm going to be honest with you. Since people who definitely watching this video are looking for beginner friendly video, this is actually what we're doing here. So it's actually more than ads. You don't have to, it's not compulsory that or you say you must be running an ad. That's digital marketing. No, no, no. Me walking up to you and telling you, do you have a pen to write on your book? And you say no, like I said, a pen. That's me advertising. But this time around, we're doing it digitally. So that's the difference. So when we say digital marketing, there are various ways for us to do it also. So and I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas here right now. And you may see some videos online and people will be like, are you looking for ways to earn money online? Are you broke? Are you a student? Do you have a job? You don't have a job. Those are, should I say, prompts, or rather, those are questions related to the person viewing that particular videos. Those are digital marketing skills. Those are skills already. They're asking you a question that they know it will actually hit the right spots. Like you're asking somebody and saying, are you a student and you haven't paid your school fees? Are you looking for ways to earn money online? Obviously, there are a bunch of people out there that are students that haven't paid their school fees and actually looking for ways to earn money online. So they're actually targeting specific audience. And if you look at most of those videos, they'll have a bunch of followers and reactions because most of those people are literally in the same situation as referred in the video. You get me, right? So I'll say one way or another, digital marketing is a way of should we say, it's a way of getting to your audience, knowing what they want, how to relate to them. So that is digital marketing. So one way or another, I'm going to give you tips on how to get started. So as a digital marketer, first of all, you have to find your niche. Those are the most basics. Same thing goes for YouTube. You want to be a YouTuber, you want to be a celebrity, you want to be what's it called, an influencer. One way or another, you have to find your niche. And when I mean find your niche, you need to find a particular aspect, a particular way, or particular platform people are going to know you. This is what you do. You don't go from A to B, from B to C. You don't divert. You focus on one particular aspect. If you are going for tech, you go for tech. If you are going for cosmetics, which is actually beauty and health stuff like that, you focus on that. If you are going for relationships and sex aspect or whatever aspect you decide to go, whatever niche you decide to pick, stick to it. Do not change it. See, I'll be honest with you guys out there, especially the ones starting. There's nothing easy. Nothing is easy. One way or another, you have to work your ass off. Even me posting this video right now, I had to work my ass off because definitely you have to edit the video just to make sure. So one way or another, you're definitely going to work your ass off regardless. So if you actually pick something you're actually comfortable with and you know you'll be able to keep up with. So basically that's the advice I'm giving to new people out there. So and aside from picking a niche, after you decide whatever aspect you're going to focus on, this is where the tricky part is. You have to choose which platforms to use. There are various platforms for various things actually, various platforms for various things, and one way or another, not all platforms doesn't work the same. You cannot actually do something. There are some things you're supposed to do on Facebook, but when you do it on Instagram, it doesn't really give you what you want. But when you do it on Facebook, you get a bunch of reactions, followers, subscribers, and stuff like that. That's for Facebook. When you do it on YouTube, you barely get likes or anything of that sort. But when you do it on Instagram, you don't get anything. When you do it on Facebook, you get a bunch of reactions. So there are each platform, or one way or another, either you like it or not, in each platform that they're actually like people that are there for specific reasons or specific aspects. Like people watching this from YouTube now probably here to learn. They're here for tutorial videos. You get me? Somebody watching this from Instagram is a celebrity looking for ways to grow his followers one way or another. Somebody watching this from Facebook is probably one of those students who are actually trying to manage their data one way or another, trying to do one or two stuff. So one way or another, everybody is how should I put it? Everything is everybody is there for a specific reason. So digital marketing, you just have to hit the person. The specific reason is there for. So there are each platform for doing that. So if you want to actually be an influencer, and you don't go straight and create a Facebook account and start telling them this, that. It doesn't work like that. If you want to be an influencer or you want to do stuff like that, you probably go for something like TikTok. It's easier to get views on TikTok, reactions and stuff like that. So you can easily grow a fan base on TikTok. So when you go for something like TikTok and then you move on to an Instagram account, thereby referring your followers from TikTok to Instagram. So basically, it makes life easy for you. So one way or another, as easy as it sounds right now, is honestly it's difficult. One way or another, as easy as it sounds, you get views on TikTok, blah blah blah. It's difficult. It's more difficult than it sounds. So ensure you are mentally prepared. Not this is not actually being financially or physically prepared. It's actually being mentally prepared for it. So most people tell you need a large sum of amount to start digital marketing. That's a bloody lie. It doesn't work like that. Basically, you can start digital marketing with what you have right now. A smartphone. And if you have a laptop, like this you're seeing right here, perfect for you. Good to go. But if you have a mobile device, that's fine. People do affiliate marketing with just a mobile device also. So one way or another, you're definitely good to go. So and in digital marketing, I'm going to touch some other aspects. This is not a detailed video on each aspect, so I'm just trying to give a brief explanation on what digital marketing is for all the beginners and everybody that's definitely going to watch in this video. So if you need detailed explanation on each aspect, I have definitely you should comment on the comment section, and I will do tutorials on each of those aspects, and I'll make sure they are well detailed and focused on that aspect alone. So, but this is a general video for to just give you brief of what digital marketing is all about. So, if you're going to be doing something like digital marketing now and you wish to sell a product online, first of all, as a digital marketer, you need to own an e-commerce website. And how do you get an e-commerce website? Simple. You can do that with WordPress. WordPress is another platform on its own. Mm-hmm. Another platform on its own, but one way or another, it makes building a website easy. Building a website easy. I'm a web developer also, but one way or another, WordPress makes it easy. Save you the stress of coding and stuff like that. So you can use that to digital marketers use that a lot. So one way or another, you're looking to build your e-commerce website, I would recommend WordPress. And if you feel you're not okay with WordPress, I would recommend Hostinger web builder. So Hostinger is another platform. They also have web builder. So you should definitely pick from one of those two options and stick with it as a digital marketer. Coding shouldn't be your priority right now. So now, since you're selling a product, I'm giving a brief explanation right now. So you're selling a product, you have an e-commerce website. So basically, what you're going to do is you go to your Facebook, or if you're using an Instagram account, you go to your Instagram account. If you're using a TikTok or a Twitter account, you look for an ad section. On Facebook, it's called ad management, or you see advertise there on Facebook, or rather, some people say boost, but boosting is actually different from advertising. Advertising is you broadcasting your product, while boost is you trying to grow followers, likes, comments on that particular aspect or that particular product. So they are for different things actually. You get me? So as a digital marketer, you definitely should use and you're trying to advertise a product. Click on advertise, don't go for boost. Boost is you trying to get followers, subscribers, like on that particular post or aspect on Facebook. But on Instagram or that aspect, when you go to your ads management and stuff like that, you find that it's a whole different aspect or different setting. So whichever platform you are going to be using to broadcast or do, but I would recommend Facebook because we all know Facebook is a worldwide web application. People from China, Korea, India, Pakistan, UK, US, Canada, Germany, they all use it. You feel me, right? So they all use it. So I recommend using Facebook to run your ads. So while doing that, ensure you get Facebook ads manager. Yeah. Or you go for Facebook Business Suite. It's an application also. It's on your App Store, it's on your Play Store. So do make use of it. It makes it easier when running ads. It easily set up your ad page for you, and everything goes smoothly. So you won't have difficulty. Even as a beginner, it will not be difficult for you to do anything there. It will be user friendly for you. You feel me? So while you're running ads, you're going to be running the ads directly to your e-commerce website where people are definitely going to be purchasing it. So basically that's it. So digital marketing has been made easy because of the social media platforms we have these days. So as a beginner, if you are thinking of going into digital marketing or already a digital marketer and you feel you are not making enough money, or rather you are not getting it what you want, I'm going to be telling you, bro, don't give up, because digital marketing has never been made easier for us. And this is the time you should focus and put in more work. Show workings, put in more work, and put in more work, because you definitely not gonna get another opportunity like this. And this is your first time, because I think this is all I have to say for this video. I think I've given a brief info how digital marketing works, and what you feel you should or you should not do during digital marketing. So rather, that's it for now. And one more thing, if you have forgotten to subscribe or like, do subscribe or like, because on this channel, or rather on this page, on this account, we only share things like this. we're explaining, we're giving tips on how to grow your account, how to be a digital marketer, developer, whatever field you are in. We teach them here. So kindly click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. I am OLCell, and thank you.